Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our channel. Today I will be making up my beautiful wife here. So watch and enjoy. Thank you.
I get a makeup.
First of all, we'll draw the eyebrows. Just finish applying eyebrows on the eyebrow. This is concealer. You take your lid on, apply.
Are you ever serious? Come fix this part of the face. Yeah. Kisses.
You apply foundation on the face on each side of the cheek. You just apply a little foundation on the face. After that, you get foundation brush. Brush gently around the face. add more beauty. Brush around the chin down to the neck to blend the foundation. Be careful around the forehead so you don't mess the eyebrow up. Don't forget the nose. The face looks brighter than before. So we are done applying the foundation.
So he said he just applied foundation to my face. How do I look? Let me see. Did a great job. Hubby applied a little bit of browns on each side of the face, then smooth it out later.
Come find me in the We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire. No, so give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh.
How do I look? So far so good. I think hubby is doing a great job, an awesome job. Just put some browns and liquid browns precisely after the foundation, and I myself don't even know how to make up, so I'm excited to see the after effect of this. I can't wait to see. I like it.
And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my
So you apply the powder around the face for a few minutes. Across to the cheeks. Brush across the neck area. We are bringing out more beauty.
Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You
It's time for eyeshadow.
Alright, it's time for eyeshadow.
It's time for some eyeshadows. So we are going to choose a color that will suit her face.
Probably some kind of pink.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car,
It's making the eyes pop out already.
we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving
Now let's apply the dark color to the side of the eyes.
feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along.
Now apply a brighter color to the inner part. So the next is the lipsticks. As you can see, her lips are dry.
My lips ain't dry, boo.
So you apply on the lower lip, round and round and round. Mix it up. And the finishing touch. You're gonna make sure the face, the eyeshadow, the lipstick are all looking good. Wow. So this is African made makeup by Hobby.
African makeup. African. This is makeup made by love.
I hope you find this captivating and interesting. So what a woman can do, a man can do better.
Now so ah, okay. Woo. I love this makeup. Okay, y'all, this is literally the first time hubby is making me up. I personally don't know how to make up. I think he did an awesome job. He did more than I could. So, and you know what this means? We are going out tonight. Probably go eat some coffee or grilled fish or something. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on your notification button for more videos. And please let us know what else you like us to do, because we really have fun doing this. Like, I can't wait to go see what my face look like. So, and I rate him 100%. So, because this is not easy, y'all. That's why I don't even make up. Like, I do basically just draw my eyebrows, but I have to learn. This is a challenge, and I have to do something for him. So watch out for our next video. Thank you. Bye.